to our Grab and Go series. Today we are going to show you how to work with the pink tower from the sensorial area. This exercise develops the child's perception of dimension. It also helps the child to develop his eye-hand coordination skills and fine motor skills. Let's watch the presentation. Judith, today we are going to work with the pink tower. Are you ready?
Yes.
So you watch me and you may have your turn later. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms. See you again!